So Abraham, when he talked to him, he did not even look at Abraham. He looked at Sodom and Gomorrah. Oh, Abraham wambona. Oh, but I talked to this guy, this gentleman. He does not look at me. And Abraham went on his knees. Watandaza, watinkulungulu. If you find 15, will you spare Sodom and Gomorrah for the rest of the 50? What if you find 40? Will you spare them for the rest of the 40? If you find 30, if you find 20, 10, and 10, nakafika ku 10, uNkulunkulu wathi I will spare them for the sake of the others, because Abraham had Lot, his cousin, in the mind. That's why Lot was saved and his 2 daughters, because Abraham interceded. I told you last time, unga give up umuntu nomaziyo, ongaphili right, keep on interceding, uzosinda ngenxa yomthandazo wakho. Amen. Amen. Do not give up. Do you understand? Because if Abraham could have done that, then that can happen to you. Because why? History repeats itself. So Abraham nakatandaza, uLot wasinda ngomthandazo kabani ka Abraham. Maralalela ke beyatshela ukuthi those angels 72, who did they actually symbolize in our time?